Hi! In front of me is ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section. Following that, tap on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Now click on one of your apps. I will go with Booking.com and tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Booking.com just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. But you can always click on any feature to access one of your apps that you wish to manage. I will go into Contacts to access Chrome. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, tap on See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of those options, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!